root of the word freedom and the verbal root of the word engrave. Get those two words in your mind. Freedom and engrave. The Ten Commandments were engraved on tablets of stone. Why? Not to bind us, but to set us free. To set us free. Freedom is when you are in those Ten Commandments. Secret 6. Our forefathers built America on the Word of God and the Ten Commandments. The fact is, our forefathers were mainly Puritans. Now they're trying to rewrite history to make them sound like they were anything but. But the Puritans loved the Supreme Court banned.
Ik zet hem ik had in een zak. Nee? Het is kut om. It sounds like God was when I suck. It's not over.
Crime ran off the charts. Vietnam divided our nation. America was Sabbaths will produce weak nations. Nations that forsake the house of the Lord become godless, corrupt, immoral, saturated with crime, saturated with divorce, saturated with an economy that is destabilized because it is saturated with sovereign debt. Get that word in your mind. Sovereign debt. When you say as a committee of one, I am going to start living by these commandments and I am going to do what I can to change my sphere of influence. When 16 million Americans in this nation start doing that, this nation will turn around and nothing flat. It's not going to change from the top down. It's going to change from the grassroots up. The Ten Commandments of the Word of God. And you cast your vote every Sunday. The seventh secret in closing, the secret of renewal. The Sabbath is not merely about not working. Some of you have mastered that already. It's about spiritual renewal. Listen to this sentence. It's about meeting God in a